Feet against the tip. Wait a minute. Feet against the tip. Okay. Feet against the tip. Hold up. Bring me the iron because it's starting to get hot on my hand. Over here. See, I'm moving it over here. Now, feet the tip. Okay. Now, because this is going to suck up like a braid. This is like solder braid. Okay. Right. Good. Okay. Now I'm going to turn it over. Now we're going to press. Now I got to hold on to this. Go ahead. Feed it. Feed, because it's going to get to the other side. Feed, keep feeding. Okay. Now we gotta make it run. This is like trying to clean it. Keep on going. Feed. Trying to get this to the side. And I am holding it against stuff. Alright, hold up. Let me try.